I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today another episode of Quick Bite to Eat. So today we're going with the orzo tuna salad. So here the can of tuna, and here the orzo pasta. It looks like a giant rice. So let's show you what we can do with it. Olive oil in a frying pan on a medium high. You're gonna add the first round of the orzo pasta, and we're gonna brown them. So we're gonna make it three colors: dark brown color, light brown color, and the white color, which is we don't put here. As you can see here, start getting brown. Now we're gonna add the second part, and by the time the first one is dark brown, the other one will be light brown and good to go. Perfect. Now turn off and add the rest of the orzo, and make sure you bring your water to boil and ready to go in the water. This is going to be a healthy, quick bite to eat. So celery, fine chop, carrot. So these two here, celery and carrots, gonna go in the water first. The broccoli, this size will be perfect. Some parsley, small diced red pepper that goes with the broccoli in the water at the end. Perfect. The orzo almost halfway. Now I'm gonna add the carrot and the celery. Give it a quick stir. And you can see the orzo here. So we're gonna let it boil for a minute and a half, 2 minutes max. Now we're gonna add broccoli and the red pepper. Mix it, and we're not gonna fully cook the vegetable. We're gonna keep like the bite into it. So pretty much a little bit more than blanch. Nice, ready to go. Turn off and straight to the ice bath. That way the vegetable and the pasta stay nice and al dente. Now we want to do the dressings for it. So we're not using any mayonnaise. So as I said, it's going to be a healthy orzo tuna salad. So I have here fresh garlic. Add a little bit salt to the garlic, and let's smush them with this here. Nice, the garlic nice and minced now. Fresh lemon squeeze, olive oil, black pepper, and the parsley, the one we chopped. Our pasta and vegetable here, they're nice and cold, beautiful. Now let it drain on the side for 1 minute. And now I'm gonna add the tuna, and let's break the tuna apart, keep it flaky. So just break it a little part here, give it a little mix so they can take the garlic and the lemon flavor. Nice. Now we're gonna add the orzo and the broccoli. So it's drained enough. Yum, look at this. Lovely. Now mix it very well and ready to be served on the table. They look yummy, they smell good, and as a healthy quick bite to make. Voila, it's time to try now. Looks yummy though. Oh boy, fresh garlic, minced garlic, fresh lemon squeeze goes so well with the tuna and the al dente vegetable, the al dente orzo pasta. It's amazing, amazing, a healthy, quick bite for you to eat. So orzo tuna salad, It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.